Hello students, myself Aishwarya Dhamnikar, lecturer in Department of Science and Humanities. I am dealing with your subject Engineering Mathematics 2. In this, you are having first chapter as coordinate geometry. In this, you are having two subtopics, that is first one is straight line and second one is conic section. So first we will study straight line. So in this lecture, we are going to study definitions, slope intercept form, slope point form, and some simple example based on these forms. Okay. So first, what do you mean by straight line? Straight line is nothing but the shortest distance between any 2 points. Okay, so I have given their definition. The shortest distance between any 2 points in a plane is called as straight line. Okay, for example, suppose you are having 2 points A and B. Okay, so for this you are having two paths. Consider two paths, that is first one is a straight line and second path is a curve. Okay, so obviously the distance traveled by path 1 is less than that of the distance traveled by path 2. So is it clear what do you mean by straight line? The shortest distance between any 2 points. Fine. Then inclination of line. Okay, now you are having I have given their graph x and y axis, right? And from the origin you are having one line L. Okay, so it is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x axis in anti-clockwise direction. So I have denoted there theta, right? X and to the L I have made the angle as theta, that is nothing but angle of inclination. Okay, then coming to the slope of the straight line, it is nothing but the tangent of inclination of straight line is called as slope of the line and it is denoted by m. Okay, and it is written as m is equals to tan theta, where theta is what? Angle of inclination. So whenever they are giving you the any angle and if they tell you to find the slope, how to find? M is equals to tan theta. Fine. Then next, you are having one more formula to find the slope. If you are having 2 points joining the lines, that is consider point 1 as P x1 y1 and point 2 x2 y2. Then how to find the slope between these 2 points? M is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so you are having two formulas to find the slope, that is m is equals to tan theta and m is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, next, intercept of the straight line. Okay, while before going to that graph, just check here. Consider a straight line AB which cuts the x-axis at the point B, that is coordinates are B and 0, and at the y-axis at A, that is 0 and A. Then A is called as y-intercept and B is called as x-intercept. Okay, so here you are having graph. Okay, that is x-axis and y-axis, and you are having one straight line, that is A and B. AB is a straight line which cutting x-axis at the point B and y-axis at the point A. So distance between OB is called as x-intercept and the distance between OA is called as y-intercept because it is on y-axis. Fine. Then next one is slope intercept form. Okay, again you are having graph as x and y axis, then you are having one straight line, that is line which cutting the y axis at the point B and again it is cutting the x axis. Okay, so on the y axis you are having C. What is that C? It is y intercept. Okay, so here they have given the straight line having slope m cuts the y axis at B and makes y intercept C on it. Okay, then coordinates of B are 0 and C. First coordinate will be on x axis and second one is y, that is c. Then if P be the any point on the straight line, then slope is given as, how to find the slope between 2 points? M is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So substitute their values. M is equals to y minus c divided by x minus 0. Now x minus 0 will be x. So shift x to LHS. So it become mx is equals to y minus c. Now you are having minus c. When you are shifting it to LHS, it become plus c. So what is the equation? Y is equals to mx plus c. It is nothing but slope intercept form. Is it clear? Okay, next. You are having slope point form. Again it is clear, you are having graph x-axis and y-axis. On this you are having one line, okay, containing 2 points. Point A is x1, y1 and point B is x and y as given in the diagram. Okay, now consider a first point A, that is x1, y1, through which the line passes, and point P, x, y is a point on it. Okay, then the slope of the line AB is given by, how to find the slope between 2 points? That is M is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, then M is equals to, now consider A as, points of A as x1, y1 and point of B as x2, y2. So there we have substituted y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Now just shift denominator of RHS to left side. So it is M x minus x1 is equals to y minus y1. So what is the equation? Rearrange it. Y minus y1 is equals to M x minus x1. Okay, where M is nothing but slope of the straight line. It can be given as M is equals to tan theta, or M is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. I have given there two equations of a line. Okay. Then coming to the next point, general form of the straight line. That is how we write the straight line, in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Okay, straight line can be written as in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So directly from this you can find the slope, that is M is equals to minus a divided by b. So it is one more formula for slope. How many formula we are having? 3. First one is M is equals to tan theta, and M is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and M is equals to minus a divided by b. Next, we will solving some few examples based on those formulas. So first one, find the slope of straight line which makes an angle 60 degree which cuts the x-axis. Now what you have to find? Slope of the line. What they have given? Theta is equals to 60 degree. So how to find? You are having formula for slope is M is equals to tan theta. So write M is equals to tan theta. In the next line, M is equals to tan theta. How much they have given? 60. So M is equals to tan 60. So value of tan 60 is nothing but root 3. So M is equals to root 3. That is the answer. Okay. Then coming for the next sum. Find the slope of the straight line which passing through the point 2, 5 and 8, 3. How many points they have given? 2. And you have to find slope, that is M. Okay. If 2 points are given, formula for slope is M is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay. Then they have given 2 points, that is 2 and 5 and 8 and 3. So consider 2 and 5 as x1, y1 and 8 and 3 as x2, y2. So put the values, that is 3 minus 5, 8 minus 2. So 3 minus 5 you will get it as minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So minus 2 divided by 6 is minus 1 by 3. This is nothing but slope of the line. Okay. Then question number 3. Find the equation of straight line which passing through the point 3 and minus 2 and slope is minus 2. Now check whatever the given points are there. They have given one point, that is 3 minus 2. So consider it as x1 and y1, and m is how much? 2. So they have given x1, y1 and m, and you have to find equation of straight line. So how to find it? Write equation of straight line. Y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. So y minus value of y1 is minus 2. So 2x minus 3. Next line, y minus and minus become plus 2 and here multiply with 2. So 2x minus 6. Now bring all terms to RHS. So 2x minus 6. Here you are having plus y. When you are shifting to RHS, it becomes minus y. Plus 2 becomes minus 2 is equals to 0. So it is 2x minus y minus 8 is equals to 0. Okay. If they have given one point and slope, you have to use y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Okay. Next. Find the equation of straight line which has y-intercept minus 3 and slope minus 1. Okay. What they have given? Y-intercept means c is equals to minus 3 and m is equals to minus 1. So it is y is equals to mx plus c. So put the value, y is equals to value of m is minus 1x plus, okay, c is having minus c plus, so plus into minus minus. So bring all the terms to RHS. So minus x minus 3 plus y becomes minus y is equals to 0. So take it out the minus sign as a common. So plus x plus y plus 3 is equals to 0. This is the solution for the question. Then question number 5. Find the equation of straight line passing through y-intercept 5 and making angle of inclination is 135 degree. So what they have given? C is equals to 5 and theta is equals to 135 degree. So what you want? Slope. Whichever the question is there, first you have to find slope. So now they have given theta. So how to find the slope? M is equals to tan theta. So tan of 135, you can put it in the calc, you will get it as minus 1. Then you are having C as well as M. So how to find the equation of line? Y is equals to mx plus c. So y is equals to value of m is minus 1 x plus c is 5. Again bring all the terms to RHS. So next line, minus x plus y minus y is equals to 0. Then minus x minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. This is the solution for the given question. Next, last one. Find x and y intercept of the straight line 4x plus 4y minus 1 is equals to 0. Next, note the question as it is. 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equals to 0. Then 4y is equals to, now shift 3x to that side because equation of straight line we are having as y is equals to mx plus c. So 4y is equals to minus 3x plus 1. Okay. Then in the next line, y is equals to minus 3x plus 1 divided by 4. Now separate the terms. That is y is equals to minus 3 divided by 4x plus 1 by 4. Okay. Now write the equation of straight line. That is y is equals to mx plus c. Next, comparing equation number 2 and 3. Now compare y is equals to mx plus c with the above equation. Value of m is minus 3 by 4 and value of y-intercept is 1 by 4. Okay, so again what you have to find? X-intercept. So while finding the x-intercept, put value of y is equals to 0 in equation number 1. So that is 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equals to 0. Put y is equals to 0. So what you will get? 3x plus 4 into 0 minus 1 is equals to 0. So that term becomes 0. So you will get 3x is equals to 1. So what is value of x? X is equals to 1 by 3. This is nothing but x-intercept. Okay. So in the next class we will study equation for parallel lines, perpendicular lines and equation of median.